Hello everybody, welcome back to Login Joins. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger sound not working. Without further ado, let's get started by opening our Messenger. Here, tap in this 3-bar icon on your top left corner. Tap Settings. Scroll down, tap Notifications and Sound. Make sure you allow notification sound. So here are a bunch of other sound options that you might like. Once you do it, now the next step is opening your settings application. Here, go to Apps. Open Messenger in your system setting. Here, scroll down to Notifications. Make sure that you have allowed notification for Messenger. And once you do that, you are good to go. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channel for more helpful videos.